Hello, health enthusiasts. Get ready to supercharge your diet as we explore the world of 5 incredible sugar-free superfoods that will take your well-being to new heights. These delicious and nutrient-packed foods are not only good for your body, but also great for your taste buds. Let's dive into the fantastic 5 sugar-free superfoods. Our first superstar is none other than avocado. Creamy, flavorful, and full of healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados are a gift from nature. They're rich in fiber, potassium, and essential vitamins, making them excellent for heart health and promoting glowing skin. The best part, avocados are completely sugar-free. Add them to salads, sandwiches, or enjoy them as guacamole. The possibilities are endless. Next up, we have quinoa, the ancient grain with a modern-day reputation. Quinoa is a complete protein, containing all the essential amino acids our bodies need. It's also a fantastic source of fiber, iron, and magnesium. With zero sugar and a delightful nutty taste, quinoa serves as an ideal base for salads, bowls, and side dishes. Fuel your body with this wholesome grain. Now, let's meet the green nutrient powerhouse broccoli. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants, broccoli is a true superfood. It supports a robust immune system and contributes to overall well-being. This cruciferous gem is not only sugar-free, but also low in calories, making it a weight loss-friendly option. Steamed, roasted, or stir-fried, broccoli is a must-have addition to your meals. Moving on to our fourth superfood, say hello to chia seeds. These tiny wonders are a treasure trove of nutrition. Loaded with fiber, healthy fats, and essential minerals, chia seeds support digestive health and keep you feeling full and satisfied. As expected, they are completely sugar-free. Create chia seed puddings, add them to smoothies, or sprinkle them over yogurt. Your taste buds and body will thank you. Last but not least, we have spinach, the leafy green that fueled Popeye's strength. Packed with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron and antioxidants, spinach is a nutritional heavyweight. And yes, you guessed it, it's sugar-free too. Whether sautéed, blended into smoothies, or used in salads, spinach is a versatile superfood that adds a nutritious punch to any meal. Congratulations! You've now unlocked the power of the fantastic 5 sugar-free superfoods: avocado, quinoa, broccoli, chia seeds, and spinach. These nutritional powerhouses will take your health to new heights. Embrace their natural goodness and versatility to create delicious meals that not only taste fantastic, but also support your overall well-being. Remember, a sugar-free diet doesn't have to be bland or boring with these superfoods. You're in for a treat. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring the wonders of nutrition. Until next time.